There's one date coming up that could change everything for XRP in its future, a date that could finally decide whether XRP's price skyrockets or falls into uncertainty. It could completely reshape Ripple's legal battle with the SEC, determine XRP's role in the financial world, and even push it into the mainstream like never before. The question is, what will happen when this date arrives? Will it mark the end of a long-running legal fight, or will it spark a new chapter in Ripple's journey? Stick around, because this one date could be the game changer everyone's been waiting for. To understand why this date is so crucial, we need to look at the story behind Ripple and XRP. For years, XRP has been at the center of a major legal battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC claims that Ripple's sale of XRP constitutes an unregistered securities offering, and this case has left the future of XRP in limbo. Investors, developers, and even major financial institutions are all waiting for a resolution to this lawsuit, and the uncertainty has led to wild price swings and market speculation. XRP has so much potential as a cross-border payment solution, but this legal cloud has made it difficult for Ripple to move forward without any barriers. The company's goal has always been to make financial transactions faster and cheaper, using XRP as a bridge currency for global payments. But with the SEC case still hanging over Ripple, XRP's future has been uncertain, and the market has struggled to gain stability. So, what's so special about this upcoming date? Well, it could be the turning point that finally removes the cloud of uncertainty hanging over XRP. This date could bring a resolution to Ripple's legal battle, or at the very least, a major development that sends XRP's price on a new trajectory. If this date turns out to be in Ripple's favor, it could clear the way for XRP to shine in the global financial system, opening doors to new partnerships, widespread adoption, and possibly even a significant surge in value. The anticipation surrounding this date is what's driving much of the current speculation in the market. Traders, investors, and even Ripple itself are all watching closely. This one moment could be the breakthrough XRP has been waiting for, and that's why it's being called a game changer. So what exactly is happening on this key date that everyone is watching? While the specifics are still being closely followed, many believe that this date is tied to a critical decision in the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC. This could be a court ruling, a settlement, or even a key legal development that significantly impacts the case. Whatever happens, it's expected to bring a major shift in the ongoing battle and could directly affect the way XRP is treated by regulators. If the decision goes in Ripple's favor, it could mark the end of the legal uncertainty surrounding XRP. This would clear the path for Ripple to continue its business without the looming threat of the SEC claiming that XRP is a security. If XRP is officially recognized as a utility token and not a security, it could unlock new opportunities for Ripple, especially in partnerships with banks, financial institutions, and payment networks. Such a decision could fuel XRP's adoption in the traditional financial system, helping it become a mainstream tool for cross-border payments. Now, let's talk about XRP's price. If the decision on this date is positive for Ripple, the price of XRP could skyrocket. Investors are anticipating that a legal victory or resolution will pave the way for XRP to break free from the restrictions it's been under. We could see massive market enthusiasm, with institutional investors and retail traders piling in, driving up the price. On the flip side, if the ruling goes against Ripple, it could lead to a significant drop in XRP's value. This might trigger panic selling, with investors scrambling to minimize their losses. The uncertainty could drive prices down even further, making the market highly volatile and leaving retail investors on edge. This date isn't just a legal milestone, it's a potential catalyst that could send XRP's market in either direction. Traders are already positioning themselves for both outcomes, and many believe that this date could be the moment of truth that transforms XRP's future. Whether the market will react with excitement or fear largely depends on the outcome, and that's why all eyes are on this key moment. So why exactly is this date so critical for XRP? The simple answer is that it could change everything. A positive outcome for Ripple on this date could set the stage for XRP's mainstream adoption. If the court rules in Ripple's favor, or if a settlement is reached that clears XRP from being classified as a security, it would essentially open the floodgates for institutional investors, financial institutions, and even governments to fully embrace XRP as a legitimate digital asset. For years, Ripple's been focused on using XRP as a bridge currency to improve cross-border payments. However, the uncertainty surrounding the SEC case has held Ripple back from reaching its full potential. A ruling in Ripple's favor could instantly boost investor confidence and ignite a surge in XRP's adoption by major banks and payment providers. The use case for XRP in the real world is strong, and with the legal fog lifted, it could be positioned as a key player in global finance. Furthermore, the speculation surrounding this date is already having an impact on XRP's market. Even though the outcome is still uncertain, traders and investors are betting on the potential for a favorable resolution. This speculative activity is fueling price swings, and as we get closer to this pivotal date, there could be even more market volatility as traders try to position themselves ahead of the announcement. But it's not just about price. If Ripple wins, we could see new partnerships, expanded use cases for XRP, and perhaps even greater regulatory clarity in the broader cryptocurrency space. A positive decision could encourage other crypto projects to push for clearer guidelines, which would benefit the industry as a whole. XRP could take the lead, positioning itself not just as a cryptocurrency, but as a global payment solution. In short, this date represents a tipping point for XRP. If Ripple wins, XRP could emerge as a much stronger asset in the financial world. If things don't go as planned, it could set the stage for more legal battles, regulatory hurdles, and continued uncertainty. Either way, this date is the one everyone is watching because it holds the potential to completely reshape XRP's future and possibly the entire crypto landscape. So, what could happen after this key date? The outcome of this event will have massive implications for Ripple, XRP, and the broader cryptocurrency market. If Ripple comes out on top, the positive impact on XRP could be immediate. The price could surge as institutional investors who've been sitting on the sidelines due to regulatory uncertainty suddenly feel confident enough to jump in. This could trigger a wave of adoption, not just from investors, but also from financial institutions looking to integrate XRP into their payment systems. XRP could finally live up to its potential as a global bridge currency, making cross-border payments faster, cheaper, and more efficient. The ripple effect, no pun intended, of a win could extend to other parts of the crypto market too, potentially boosting other coins and digital assets as regulations begin to clear up. But it's not just about price. A victory for Ripple could also bring about greater regulatory clarity in the entire crypto space. If XRP is officially recognized as a utility token rather than a security, other projects could follow suit, pushing for similar regulatory decisions. This could lead to new legislation in the US and other countries, providing clearer guidelines for cryptocurrency companies and investors alike. On the other hand, if things don't go as planned for Ripple, if the court rules in favor of the SEC or there's another setback, the situation could look very different. A negative ruling could trigger panic selling as many investors may rush to exit their positions, fearing a prolonged legal battle or even worse, regulatory action that could potentially harm XRP's ability to operate. The price could fall drastically, especially if the market reacts negatively